Hey, food enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a unique and delicious dish, American sweet jalapeño cornbread. Stick around as we uncover unknown facts about this spicy and sweet delight. Let's get started. Let's begin with the origins and history of sweet jalapeño cornbread. Native American roots. Cornbread has its roots in Native American cuisine, made from ground corn. European settlers adapted Native American cornbread recipes to include ingredients they brought with them. Cornbread became a staple in Southern cuisine due to its simplicity and availability of cornmeal. Jalapeños were introduced into cornbread recipes in the 20th century, adding a spicy twist. Sweet cornbread, using sugar or honey, gained popularity in the northern United States. Cornmeal is the primary ingredient, giving the bread its distinctive texture. Adding flour to cornmeal creates a lighter texture. Sugar or honey is used to sweeten the batter. Fresh jalapeños provide the heat, while pickled jalapeños offer a tangy flavor. Eggs and milk are essential for binding the ingredients together. Baking powder is used to help the cornbread rise. Butter or oil adds moisture and richness to the bread. Mixing the dry and wet ingredients separately before combining helps ensure even distribution. The batter should be slightly thick but pourable. Using a cast iron skillet ensures even cooking and a crispy crust. Preheating the skillet in the oven before adding the batter creates a better crust. The ideal baking temperature is around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cornbread typically bakes for 20-25 minutes until golden brown. Insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean when the cornbread is done. Let the cornbread cool for a few minutes before slicing to ensure it holds together. Adding cheddar or pepper jack cheese creates a rich, savory flavor. Crispy bacon bits add a smoky, salty crunch. Chopped green onions offer a fresh, mild onion flavor. Fresh or canned corn kernels enhance the corn flavor and add texture. A drizzle of honey on top adds an extra layer of sweetness. Experiment with different peppers like serrano or poblano for varying heat levels. Use gluten-free flour blends for a gluten-free version. Substitute almond milk and coconut oil for a dairy-free option. Cornbread is a staple side dish at Southern BBQs. It's often served during Thanksgiving and Christmas in many American households. Cornbread is considered a comfort food, evoking nostalgia and family traditions. There are cornbread cooking competitions across the United States, especially in the South. Annual cornbread festivals celebrate this beloved dish, with cooking demos and tastings. Cornbread has been a crucial part of American history. Providing sustenance during tough times, different regions have their unique takes on cornbread, such as adding molasses in New England. Historical figures like Thomas Jefferson and George Washington enjoyed cornbread. Cornmeal is a whole grain, providing fiber and nutrients. Cornmeal contains essential vitamins and minerals like iron and magnesium. Jalapeños contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Adding cheese or bacon increases the protein content. Some believe that leaving a cast iron skillet uncleaned after making cornbread adds flavor over time. Many celebrity chefs have their own twist on cornbread recipes, highlighting its versatility. Cornbread muffins and mini cornbreads have become trendy variations for individual servings. Cornbread has been part of viral food trends on social media, showcasing creative recipes and presentations. Some historical cornbread recipes included ingredients like molasses and pumpkin. Cornbread was a common food for American pioneers due to its simplicity and long shelf life. Instant cornbread mixes became popular in the 20th century, making it easier to prepare. While primarily American, cornbread has found its way into various international cuisines. Cornbread has inspired other dishes like corn pancakes and corn waffles. So, there you have it. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish or on its own, this spicy and sweet treat is sure to delight. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.